yung ferocity na pinakita ni Mark Pingris, na ni Ledo Campo, especially in grabbing those rebounds. Si Mark Pingris. Ito, pakinggan natin.
There are so many heroes in this ballgame. Jimmy Alapag, Ledo Campo, those two huge shots heard all over Asia, and we are now back on the basketball map of the world.
Oh, unbelievable. In 1978, tayo nag-host ng FIBA World Championships. We didn't really qualify. We got a ticket to the World Championships because we hosted. But ngayon, we did it the hard way. Magu, we qualified the hard way.
As our players walk into the stands to give the love to the fans and their families, so much emotion pouring out of the MOA Arena right now.
Jimmy Alapag, one of the heroes of this ball game. Team Philippines getting it done. We were down by 3 at the half. At nakakita natin, no? Ang tindi ng depensa. Tapos, hindi tayo nag-give up. Si Mark Pingris, pinakita niya yung puso ng Pilipino.
He was hobbling all over the floor. Second quarter pa lang, iika-ika na kinito. Pero tinapos niya. Etong laro to, alam niya, wala na si Dalvin. Tinamaan na naman yung sa binte. Mark Pingris, lahat talaga ibinuwis niya. Wow.
At hindi madali itong nangyari sa atin. No? Pinaghirapan po itong panalo ng Team Pilipinas, starting with the knockout quarterfinals, and then now winning this big game in the semifinals. Yung tinambakan natin yung Kazakhstan. We go back kung ano nangyari sa atin dito. Natalo tayo ng Chinese Taipei, but yet we were able to recover. Nahirapan tayo sa Hong Kong.
Yeah. Up and down the order. Everybody on the floor, the 12 courageous men, the coaches, the management, and the man responsible, Boss Manny V. Pangilinan. He put the program together. He had the target of becoming relevant again in the world of basketball, and here we are, headed to Spain, Ginito.
He had the faith. That's one thing about Sir MVP. He never gave up on this team.
What about the double-double effort of our best player of the game, Ginito?
Well, Mark Pingris had to be the guy. He exemplified the true spirit of the Filipino patriot. Ang puso na pinakita niya dito, hindi siya nag-give up. He was hobbled. Nasaktan siya during the game. Alam niya yung mga kalaban niya, mas malaki sa kanya, but alam din niya si Marcus Tausit na